तुमचें नाव कितें?
बेझिल मोता.
कोणचे तुमी?
हांव एक्चुली कुट्टोरीचो,
हय.
मात शिकयता सेंट ब्रिटोन. सो हांव
ओके.
म्हापसा रावता.
आनी तुमी हो कोर्स?
फायन आर्ट्स केला
फायन
आनी
आर्ट्स.
एज अ आर्ट टिचर
हय.
अशें वॉटर कलर बी अशें चालू दवरता.
आयज तुमचो स्पेशल डे सो आयज संडे.
स्पेशल डे ना, बट विकेंड आमी वयता. एक आमचो ग्रूप आहलो,
हय.
सो आमचे बाकीचे फ्रेंड्स सुद्दां आसतले हांगा थंय पेंजीमूच आसतले.
ओके
सो आज
ओके
टॉपीक पेंजीम कशें घेतला, मार्केट प्लेस.
ओके
सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू कवर सम स्पॉट्स अराउंड पेंजीम.
ओके. अशें तुमी संडेचे चालू आसता तुमचें अशें?
हय, मोस्टली वी गो ऑन विकेंड.
ओके.
थोडे बाकीच्या कामान बिझी बी आसता,
हय
सो
हय.
आमी चडशे विकेंडाकूच वयता.
ओके ओके. आयज तुमचो हो थीम कितें?
मोस्टली सिटीस्केप. केन्ना केन्ना आमी अशें विलेजींनी बी आसता,
हय.
बट टुडे इट इज सिटीस्केप.
ओके.
So this is watercolor आणि बेसिकली हांव ग्रेयान करतलो.
ओके.
This last week I have started monochrome series. So monochrome म्हणजे सिंगल कलर. So सिंगल कलरान शेड अँड लाईट दाखोवप. So that is the main thing.
ओके. म्हणजे प्रोफेशनल तुमचे वर्किंग तुमी
आर्ट टीचर.
आर्ट टीचर खंयच्या स्कुलान? आं?
सेंट ब्रिटो म्हापसा.
म्हापसा. ओके ओके.
सो बेसिकली स्टुडंट फ्रॉम गोवा कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट थंय शिकलेलो.
आं ओके ओके.
थंयच्यान आतां आर्ट स्कुलान हांगा शिकयता
ओ-
ब्रिटो.
ओके ओके.
जाता इतके कमी टायमान म्हणजे जाता तसो फील घेवपाचो की लायट खंयच्यान आसा,
हय,
डार्क खंयच्यान आसा. सो
हय.
इतके डिटेलिंग बी काय नासता.
काय नसता. ओके.
मेन शेड अँड लायट.
मातशें मास्क सगळे काडून
असं दिसत आहे.
अशें तुमी कितल्या मिनटांनी म्हणून हे क्लियर कंप्लीट करता आर्ट तुमचे
डिपेंड्स अशे रफली एटलिस्ट 1 hour तरी वयता म्हणजे टू टेक ओवरऑल शेड एंड लायट एंड अशें तरी खंय कितें दाखोवंक जाय जाल्यार 1 वर तरी वयता
वयता
आनी चड डिटेल करता जाल्यार मोर दॅन दॅट.
ओके
सो आय ट्राय टू कॅप्चर ओनली द शेड एंड लायट म्हणजे की
Okay.
मागीर घरा बसून जाय जाल्यार आनी डिटेलूय घेवंक जाता. वेरेवर आय गो आय टेक वन फोटोग्राफ ऑल्सो.
ओके
सो दीस इज टू कॅप्चर लायव्ह एसेन्स कशें कितें आहा तो फील आनी मागीर जाय डिटेलिंग जाय जाल्यार फोटो सुद्दां पळोवन ते मागीर कंप्लिटूय करूंक जाता.
ओके ओके
But this is a good experience. You are at the place and you're trying to feel what is happening. आता मातशें अशें डल कशें जाला सो तें दिसूंक जाय.
दिसूंक जाय.
तशेंच तें ग्रे स्केलान दिसूंक जाय. देन मदीं मातशें सुकपाकूय ताका मातसो टायम वयता. एक फर्स्ट लेयर घातलो आतां तें सुकोवंक जायना जाल्यार तो सेकंड लेयर सारको येवचो ना. सो मातशें रावचें पडटलें.
ओके
Once it is ready, then you can go for dark color.
ओके आज तुमकां स्पेशली हांगासरूच ही थीम तुमकां
तशें ना डिसायड पळयता केन्ना केन्ना आमी वांगडा फ्रेंड आहा ते सारके अशें डिसायड करून पळयता आज सिटी घेवया काय विलेज घेवया. केन्ना केन्ना कोण पावना आमी सो एकटो वयता जाल्यार आय गो क्लोज बाय लायक म्हापसा आय गो बास्तोरा तशें स्टेन बास्तोरा सो अरावंड बास्तोरा नाजाल्यार केन्ना कांयच ना जाल्यार अशें फोटोग्राफ घेवन दॅट्स बेसिकली टू कीप इन टच विथ वॉटर कलर. नाजाल्यार कितें आसता प्रॅक्टीस एकदां सोडली जाल्यार ते तुका परत घेवपाक आनी मातसो टायम लागता. द मोर यू पेंट यू आर इन टू इट. सो दॅट इज द होल आयडिया. if you see, it is turning into a little bit of 3D shade and light. So as artist, तशेंच काडूंक जाय तशें ना. So basically what I'm trying to do is get an idea of where it is dark, where it is light. Sometimes I create my own tones here and there just to make the picture look good. So finally, जेन्ना हे post करतलो Instagram or खंय तरी, you don't have a real image to compare with because this is my art. So the building might not look exactly the same. I'm just taking inspiration from this place and I carry forward. Even for my students, I tell the same thing. First thing is to learn realistic, but then as an artist, you can put your own तुझे thoughts घालूंक जाता, your own form. मातशें change केलें काय ना. You are an artist. So if you want a real thing, might as well click a photograph. So here, like sometimes people come and say, अरे तो कलर असो हा तसो हा. So one thing here आता grayscale घेतला, so ते कलराचे प्रश्न येना. So that is one good thing. And other than that, artist is free to do what they want. Basically, we are enjoying ourselves. Just come here, sit nicely, sketch what you want, feel good about it, and your day is done. The free strokes, just some free strokes, just to show some maybe there is something happening. So these cars will be my focal point. Basically, हांगा चड shade and light दाखोवन I'm giving impression of some cars parked. This is kind of a busy place.
पेंट
थोडी गाडी भाजलो.
आयफोन पार्किंगाचे जायते तुम्ही बोलले खाल्ल्यात त्यांचे हां ती सायडीचं फटफट मग येतो अरे सांजे मिटींग मदी अरे ताणें कितल्यांक
बरी वाटत तीच
सांजे कितल्यांक 5:00
So the dark tree here will try to balance the dark side of the other building. They also take balance also dorun. I'll just get the impact and then I'll be done with this.
म्हणून केला ते बरें भितर म्हणल्यार फातर घातलो थंयसर जाणा म्हणून एकदम पडलो भांगराचो जाणा हिंगा हाडून विकता भुरगीं हेच्या खातात
तुम्ही कितें सांगूंक सोदता यंग जनरेशनाक आतां?
That's a very big message actually. If you see art, so far everyone thinks it is just drawing something real. That is one part of it. Current generation, they are a little lost. They are all in mobile phones and whatever the programs and everything. And त्यांची thinking and they've gone a little off track. What I'm saying is, people talk about meditation. जे meditation केलं तुझी mind मातशी शांत जातली काय अशें all that. Similarly, art can be used as meditation. Not necessarily, आता थोड्या, as a teacher I know some students are scared of art. They are scared of color, brush and all this. But they should take art in a different sense, as meditation. There is one form of art which is called Zentangle art. Just take black pen or anything, any sketch pen or gel pen, color pen or pencil सुद्धा घेऊन only draw lines. But the idea is not the ultimate result, but your mind, your hand, and how you're drawing it slowly. Doesn't matter what the pattern is. Now, कोणाकूय art, jaga pen धरून कळटा, he can draw. Even a child, if he is able to hold, म्हणजे child infant, धाकटो हात तो जेन्ना तो एक कलर कितें असो धरपाक तेच्यान जाता, तो आर्टिस्ट जालो. Basically he is free. He knows to scribble. आणि तो फाटी फुडें चिंतून आसतना स्क्रिबल करीत आसता. But we might not feel good. हो कितें करता, म्हणजे वाट लायता आमचो पेपर कलर अशें. But the child is enjoying. The whole idea is the child is enjoying. So if the young generation take art as a meditative form, those who can draw well means realistic and they carry करपाचे, professional करपाचे, whatever. But the others, each and everyone should take time to do at least something. If not realistic, just take a pen or मेहंदी घालता तसलो design काढलो, कितेंय काढलें. But the whole idea is to understand the feeling when you're doing it, not for others. आता तुवें जर घेतलें पेन आनी केलें आनी म्हटलें अरे हें बरें दिसना, यू आर थिंकिंग पॉयंट ऑफ समवन एल्सीज व्यू. एज एन आर्टिस्ट, ओके, यू हॅव कमर्शियल आर्टिस्ट, तांकां करचें पडटलें फॉर अदर्स. वेन यू आर डुईंग फॉर युअर सेल्फ, यू आर युअर ओन आर्टिस्ट. ते कोण दाखयना सुद्दां जाता, बट वेन यू आर डुईंग इट, यू फेल्ट इट गुड, fantastic. So that's the whole idea. Don't look at art as, you know, something academic thing that अशेंच करून जाय अशें ना. You never know. केन्ना केन्ना तूं बेश्टें पेन करता करता maybe you like to do something more and learn more and more. Very good. One day you might be a really great artist, knowing all the strength of art. There is different strength. Art is not just one type. This is one way of watercolor. In watercolor itself, there are so many styles: realistic, abstraction. खूप कितें आहा. Art and the possibilities are infinite, so there's no one single message for everyone. But start. That is important. Somewhere you start. Take a pencil, take a pen, take a chalk, take anything for that matter. People do art with pebbles. I've seen recent YouTube videos, pebbles अशे different colorचे घालून त्याचो design काढून घेता. Art it is. They put vegetable and all somewhere here and there. That is art. Everything is art. Art is, we cannot escape from art. Basically everything around us is art. So if you want to enjoy the feeling, just start. That's the only thing. Yeah. Thank you.
तू त्यांचे काम पिड्यात जातात तर आता कितें जोण्या बोणा गेल्या काडटा बरें कितें
मामी
If you see, it is all just more of patchwork right now because I don't have much time to go and sit for detailing. So that I also patchwork doing. Roughly, if you see from a distance, it will look like as if something is real. But you go closer to it, you will see there is nothing. So this is my style of watercolor. When I do outdoor, I especially do outdoors like this where it's all very rough. It's just some tones, dropping of some. So basically, what I want to try and say here also is that there is nothing. If you go closer, and I especially tell my students to go closer because from far they say, "Sir, you're artist, you can do everything." But when they come closer, they say, hey, they literally think, "Are, ejan bare amchan konu jata bare." So that is a success thing for me. If someone can look at this painting and say, "Eh, heka kait na mare," that's what I'm trying to say. That Baba Tetun kait na, try and start then. You can do much better than this. This is only impact from a distance. So learn. It's not very difficult. It's not very difficult. So it's almost over. For me, if you ask, it's almost over. I can just add some एक brush केला हवे बारीक सो. So what I have done is my old brush. I just cut the brush and I made it very fine. So what happens is final thing once I'm done, I just have fun with this little brush here. त्याच्यात ते ब्रिसल्स आले ते कट करून त्याला इतकं फाईन केला सो आय कॅन ड्रॉ सम maybe lines, power lines or something like that. Now, right now here there are no power lines, but I can always create my own say एक pole कसं घातलो, so whatever it is like this. Then maybe some lines going up, say 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Some lines going across maybe. This fine dots and lines here and there, it just creates some extra interest in painting. It's always like part of shade and light. There's somewhat like human characters with some dots here and there to show some shade and light. It's not very difficult. It's just whole idea is that I have to enjoy this painting. If I don't have fun, then it's a job, and for me, painting is not my job. So if I don't have fun, then I don't have painting. It's same like any other corporal job. That's why I chose to teach, other than doing, commercial art, because mostly digital art is very good, but I don't enjoy doing digital art much. So it's a very good field. People should try it. You can get effects like how we get in real, paper and brush or whatever. But it's everyone's choice. Nothing is bad. everything is good. Just choose what you want to do. I enjoy doing this, so I don't go for digital art much, and I have fun. I just have fun. So I would say for me this is done. It's I just make I just make one initial here and I am done. It's based. So yeah, I just have my initial done. So at least I have impact, and I'm happy with this. Basically. If you take from front, you will see from a distance straight. Real dress.
अरे बाबा त्याका उठतोय त्याका उठतोय ना त्याका उठतोय म्हणजे याका उठतोय बाबा उठून टाकत ते अंगच काय उठतोय